Great acoustic guitar tone only comes from a well-made instrument. Unlike electric guitars where amps and effects provide important enhancements, acoustic guitars have a unique voice that is created by the quality of the wood and the craftsmanship. Today's great guitar builders use a careful blend of handcrafting along with modern technology. Cort Guitars has evolved their approach to guitar building since 1973. Their large modern facility utilizes technology to assure consistency while blending in many important handcrafting steps. Their team starts to focus on making a great sounding acoustic guitar at the earliest stage of production by selecting the perfect tone wood. A wide variety of woods, including industry standards like Engelmann spruce, Indian rosewood, and various varieties of mahogany, ranging to exotic woods, including flame maple, babinga, blackwood, and striped ebony, are procured from around the world and brought into Cort's massive wood storage facility. These well-regulated kiln-dried woods are often stored for several years under the watchful eye of the Cort team. Quality control supervisors check the progress to determine when the wood is ready to be utilized in production.
Factory fact: the Cort Acoustic Guitar Factory has over 750 employees. A majority of the factory team has been building guitars for 10 years or more.
The production starts with a multi-step process in preparing the neck blank. This patented process, developed by Cort, assures a highly stable neck. Steps include bonding the wood that'll make up the neck heel and create a very strong headstock. At this point, necks are stored in a special climate-controlled condition for up to 4 weeks, a process called seasoning. This step is to further assure the stability and longevity for each neck used on a Cort acoustic guitar. After an important inspection, the process of shaping the neck blank into an easy-to-play finished product starts. The initial shaping is done on the headstock profile, and the slot is cut for a truss rod. Next, the heel of the neck is shaped into a comfortable profile, adding playing access. Finally, the slot is cut for the important dovetail neck joint. This joint is key to the quality construction of Cort guitars. Cort uses a specially fitted compact CNC machine to precision cut the fingerboard inlay designs. The same machines prepare the headstocks for the Cort logo inlay. The inlays are then painstakingly installed by hand. This process requires extensive training, a high level of expertise, and patience. After an allotted time for the glue to bond the inlays into place, they are sanded flat and cleaned in preparation to be installed on the neck. Now, the neck and fingerboard are ready to be matched up. The double adjustment truss rod is installed, and the fingerboard is glued to the neck. A custom press is used to provide the correct amount of pressure and to govern the time needed to deliver a solid bond between the neck and the fingerboard. Once cured, the neck goes through additional hand shaping and sanding. This fine-tunes the shape and assures that it's ready to move on to the finishing department for painting.
Factory fact: between this factory and their electric guitar factory, Cort has a production capacity of over 1 million guitars per year.
While the neck has been moving through its process, the guitar body is also being built. This starts with the preparation of the top. Hand-selected pieces of wood are prepared using traditional acoustic building methods. The two pieces of a bookmarked top are glued together, then secured with an exact amount of pressure to create a bond that is stronger than the wood itself. The pressure and the amount of time are carefully managed, delivering maximum strength. After it's fully bonded, the top is put through a sanding machine multiple times. Each time, the thickness is checked by a Cort inspector until the exact thickness is achieved in each and every top. These wood blanks are then laser cut into their desired shape. After sound holes are created, the intricate task of installing the often elaborate rosette begins. As with the inlays on the fingerboard, this requires highly skilled craftsmen and great care to give these guitars the important ornate detail. Many factors impact the sound of an acoustic guitar, but one of the most important factors is bracing. The pattern, thickness, and tight bonding of the bracing has evolved tremendously over centuries and is an area of great care in the Cort factory. Skilled workers prepare many of the small pieces that'll make up the full bracing pattern, assuring that each is the correct shape, thickness, and angle. Then, They apply a special bonding agent and utilize a custom-made vacuum clamping system to create the perfect bond between the bracing and the top needed for the best sonic result.